Wondering if you can't get Monkey App Premium for free? Here's the truth. Monkey App is a free to download and use, with basic features available to everyone. Premium features like unlimited swipe, special filters, and boost visibility usually require a paid subscription. Some people try to get premium for free by downloading modified version of the app from an official source. But this is risky. This version can harm your device, steal your data, or get your account banned. The safest way to enjoy premium features is through official channels. You can subscribe inside the app or sometimes earn credits by inviting friends through referral programs. Also, keep an eye on Monkey's official promotion or giveaways on their social media for chances to get premium perks without paying. In short, while premium access sounds tempting, using an official method is unsafe. Stick to the official app and enjoy your Monkey safely.